Hi, it's Doug Atkinson here at Black Sun Mortgage, and we're going to talk about financing this home with the Mortgage Helper. It's 11096-241 A Street in Maple Ridge, and the link to it is right above here. You can see the home tour, and let's get into the numbers.
Today we're going to talk about financing the property with a Mortgage Helper, and it will be a helper. We're going to talk about 20% down and 35% down. This property is over $1 million and it is not eligible for 5% or 10% down. 20% is going to be the minimum amount down.
Well, this is the Mortgage Helper for your financing. This will be included in your calculations for your qualifying. This will probably rent out for about $1,200, $1,400 a month. If we take $1,300 a month and work with that, that'll be fine.
When you qualify for a mortgage, not only do you qualify with your annual income, but they look at the property taxes, the heating costs, and any additional liabilities you have, and these will all qualify you for the mortgage. When you have a Mortgage Helper, we take the $1,300 a month and take it for a yearly income and add it to your annual income, then you'll be able to qualify for more of a mortgage. What banks do when they qualify you with an income-producing property or a basement suite, a Mortgage Helper, they will take 50% of the income from that suite and add it to your gross income. That's the way most banks do it. The best part of the $1,300 of the monthly rent that we're going to use will help to pay your monthly mortgage costs. When we look at the mortgages at 20% down and 35% down, we'll add in the rental income to help reduce your mortgage costs. $1,300 a month as a Mortgage Helper could service a $250,000 mortgage. $1,300 is a big help.
Well, let's look at 20% down.
On 20% down, your down payment would be $399,760. Your first mortgage would be $1,599,040. Your monthly payment at 4.39% would be $8,788.44. And if we include the Mortgage Helper and minus $1,300 off that, your monthly payment would be $7,488.44. The income required for that is $328,277. The property transfer tax on that is $37,976.
And let's check out 35% down.
At 35% down, we put $699,850. Your first mortgage is $1,299,220. At 4.39%, your monthly payment is $7,140.61. If we take out that Mortgage Helper minus $1,300, your payment is $5,840.61. The income required for this mortgage is $266,629.41.
Property transfer tax is 1% on the first $200,000 and 2% on the balance up into including $2 million. There's more property transfer tax after this, but because this home is under $2 million, we'll just stick with those numbers. With a new home like this, there's also GST, goods and services tax, of 5%. Well, thanks for listening to the mortgage information. That's it for now. If you have any other information you'd like to get from me, you can email me at the email link right here. And if you like these tours, you can like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to see the tour one more time, it is up here, and I will see you on the next mortgage tour.